It is another twist today in the Brazilian kidnapping case that has gotten international attention. The grandparents who were convicted of helping their daughter abduct her son are now suing their former son-in-law. Marcelino Benito is tracking today's developments. Marcelino, so much back and forth in this saga.
Well, Mia, you're right. This doesn't show any signs of stopping anytime soon. And now the Brazilian grandparents who are about to go to prison want millions of dollars from Houston doctor Brann.
Brazilian grandparents Carlos and Jemima Guimaraes will report to prison soon, but not before taking a shot in court at their former son-in-law, Houston doctor Brann.
They may want to say that this is seeking retribution. Wouldn't you?
Jeff Diamond, attorney for the Guimaraes, has announced the civil lawsuit this morning. It alleges Brann committed fraud on the court, slander, and false imprisonment.
This lawsuit is all about the fact that Chris built this house of cards on fundamental lies.
The Guimaraes say their ex-son-in-law's lies helped him obtain a ruling in Harris County that cleared him of domestic abuse.
He used that fraudulently obtained judgment to stand on its shoulders and build the basis of a criminal case against Carlos and Jemima Guimaraes.
A federal jury found Carlos and Jemima guilty of international kidnapping in May. They will serve months in prison. Their latest lawsuit once again alleges Brann's domestic abuse and struggles with pornography addiction.
He lied in front of the U.S. Senate. He lied in front of the U.S. House of Representatives. He lied in the criminal court as well. The damage that has caused this family, particularly Carlos and Jemima, is extensive and it's unfathomable.
But Brann's attorneys say the real victims here are their client and his son Nico. Since his ex-wife illegally abducted him to Brazil, Brann has not stopped fighting to get his son returned to the U.S.
This was never an abduction. It was an effort from a mother to protect her child and the effort from parents to protect their child and their grandson from the monster that was Brann.
Diamond says the grandparents want the truth exposed, but also believe millions of dollars in damages is more than fair.
I don't think the Federal Reserve holds enough cash, in my opinion.
Now, Brann's attorney did send us a statement tonight in part saying now the Guimaraes take this last public shot to attempt to humiliate and intimidate Dr. Brann, who is the victim of their crime. The Guimaraes seem little concerned with the fact that Dr. Brann has been deprived of his kidnapped son for years. I can tell you next up in this case, the attorney for Brann will try to get this lawsuit thrown out as quickly as possible. We'll wait and see what happens as this continues to unfold, Mia.
The saga continues. What an ordeal. Marcelino Benito, thank you.